$12,210 is how much I made from May 30th until June 30th, 2024. During all those videos that I recorded myself that you've seen so far. So let's take a look and dive into a little recap of this month. Let's go. Okay folks, what you're looking at here is Trader Sync. It's an app that allows me to journal all my trades. So as you can tell, I obviously segmented the date from May 30th until June 30th, 2024. And this is the accumulative return for this month. So 12,210. My winning percentage is 75%, a little bit over 75, almost 75.5%. And my average winner hold time is 4 minutes, as you can see, as you can tell here. Okay. Now this is really complete. I love this software, but let's take a look real quick at what I did. You can see all my trade here. So we start with May 30th here. Let me try to move this. I'm trying not to move my phone. Okay, you can see then the date and the gains here. Okay, the return. So May 30th 460, 31st $80, and then 670. The third I lost 270, then I made the same day 250, 640, lost on 300, lost on 700, make another 800, make 600, etc, etc. I mean, you can tell out here. My biggest losses were, when did I have that 8,000 loss? That was I think a few days ago. So that was, I think, no, that was not 24. Oh, here you go. Those were the big losses, right? Remember? So that equal actually at the end of the day was minus $8,800, right? I don't know if you remember, but I lost 20. So the same day, right? June 26th, lost 2,250, then made back 1,260, then lost almost 12K, then lost another 3K, then lost another 1K, and then made it back 8,000. It was approximately like minus 8,800 for the day. And then yeah, I mean, you can see all my trade here. What I like to do as well is logging my setup. Why did I take the trade that I took? That's very important for me to know. So break out the support trend line, counter trend, wedge break out the 90 EMA, another break out the 90 EMA, etc. Rejection, whatever it might be. Calendar for June. Well, that's June, right? 2024. It says 11,000 because you have to count 1 day of May 30th, right? Because I did until, from the 30th, 2 days actually, right? May 30th and 31st until June 30th. So 11,000 plus whatever I did those 2 days come down to 12,200, I think. But yeah, so if you, let me just, I can zoom out over here maybe. If I zoom out, will you see? Well, I guess I cannot. Sorry, I'm not a super tech savvy guy. I'm using my phone on this, but anyway, 1,000 here. Well, let me show this even better. All right, so you can tell here, those are the weeks. Okay, so first week from the third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, I made 2,230. The second week I traded only 2 days, the 10th and the 14th, and I took only 4 trades, 6,440. Third week of June, I made 2,560, and the last week of June, which was a miracle for me to come back that much, I only lost 230 on the week, because remember this was the really huge losses here, right? 8,870. So once again, I start the week with 880, then 1,040, then I had this huge loss here, and I came back 2,800, 3,900, and then at the end of the week, I was still red, but this, you know, 2,000 plus 6,000 plus 2,000 plus minus 230 plus a few $100 from the previous month, the last 2 days, equals 12,000 and some change. But just for this month, 11,000, as you can tell here. All right, I hope this helped. If you have any question, please feel free to DM me directly. That'll be the best way to go. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.